back at Libby Stevenson's, 2850 35th Avenue West, Seattle.
Decide if it's cheaper to have you come out once a year to clean it, or spend the money on the liner. Because they were here in May, I think, just when he came and did the turbo fluffings and then will I pay you, or will they send me a bill? How long will you be in here?
Maybe 10 minutes. I'll put all my stuff away and then come see you.